Hello, Paul here from EMD Automotive. I've got a Maserati here today. We just changed the battery because a lot of no communication fault in this car. So we checked the battery over, and the battery was really flat, not good enough. So high resistance, high internal resistance as well. So when you have a high internal resistance, the battery will start going flat and will never hold charge. Even if you charge it a little bit, it's still the battery will still be low. Anyway, let's go back to where the battery is. So I've got this battery here, AGM battery. This is AGM battery, 850 as well. So we're going to check it. This is a good battery. Note the internal resistance. The internal resistance of the battery is 2.4 and 100% health, 100% charge. We checked 850 amps EN, and we got 932 amps out of it. So this is a very good battery. That's why it's brand new. It's a good battery. So this is a good battery. Now we're going to take it off. Take this off. Take this off, and we're going to check the old battery. Alright, this is the old battery, which is a battery from Maserati. It's not made by Maserati, it's made by Fiam battery. They should put VADA. VADA is much better if you ask me. Let's just connect this one here. This is the old battery. Just want to show you guys why we replaced it. There's a reason why. So 850 amp EN. So we're going to sorry, wrong way. Wasn't looking. Okay. See how you got a good voltage there, 12.7, which is pretty good. When you go to battery test, AGM flat, EN 850. There you go, replace. Look at the internal resistance on this one. Let me just take the light out. Look at the internal resistance, 9.21. That's really high. And look at the health, only got 8% left. Alright, so the higher the internal resistance, the worse it is for the actual alternator charger, because it's too high inside. It's like trying to charge and the door's shut anyway. But this is a bad battery. It's made by Fiam for Maseratis. So most of the VADA battery I use, they get a 3 years warranty as well. So anyway, it's all done now. So we're gonna put everything back together, and then erase all the faults, and we'll go from there. Alright, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.